Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, J series, M series or F series. If you're using any series of Samsung Android smartphone and if your Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you have hard resetted of your Samsung Android smartphone, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome pop-up, language option, start button and emergency call button. So let's check after hard reset either your smartphone has been unlocked or not. So simply you have to tap on this start button and go through all the process whatever is showing on your phone display. So one more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. So make sure connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after go to the next option here. Now you can see here after hard resetted, your phone is again asking for your pin pattern or password lock. Okay, but here you can see you're getting here another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. So simply you have to tap on this option. So you can see here it's asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have your Gmail ID and password, then you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, so here you can see you're not getting any escape option on this page. So this lock is generally known as FRP lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone. Phone is stolen. Okay, so if you're not getting escape option, it means you can't go to the next option. You can see here it's not letting you go to the next page. So firstly you will have to bypass this FRP lock, and this method is known as FRP bypass method. So in this video I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP from your Samsung Android smartphone of any series. So first of all you will have to reach to the starting page like this here. Now from here you will have to make some changes in your settings to bypass the FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. Firstly you will have to change your language from here from English India to English US, then go to the OK. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, go to agree to all and agree from this page and from agree here. Now in this page where the Wi-Fi network is showing, here you will have to activate your phone's talkback option to go to the setting page. So simply switch on your talkback option. You will have to press the power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release. Now after that you have to tap on this use option and repeat the same. Now from here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now you will have to double tap on this while using the app. Now here you will have to double tap on this use voice command. Open Google Assistant. Open setting. Okay, it's not working, so don't worry at all. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Open Google Assistant. Double tap on this. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Now you can see here the setting option has been appeared on your phone display. Firstly you will have to switch off this talkback option to make some setting changes. So to switch off this one you will have to repeat the process, power button and the volume up button. Now you can see here, my friend, you are getting here lock option at the top corner of the phone. So this phone is locked due to for FRP. Okay, so in this setting page you will have to make some changes. Firstly, you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen here. Okay, now in this page here you can see the lock screen type is showing here swipe, but you can see here it's not working, so don't worry. Here you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here about lock screen. You can see here you will have to tap on this about lock screen option, and you will have to open this open source license. And in this page you will get a lots of text in this page, but here you will get a URL. You can see here that is version 2.0. you will have to copy this URL. Okay, copy from here and go to the back option. Now after that you will have to exit from this setting page. Okay, now after that you will have to reach to the starting page again. Start from here, go to the emergency call. Here you will have to dial *#0*#. Now in this page you will get a lots of options, but you have to go to the option that will show here version. You have to tap on this. It will show your phone's versions. You can see here when you will tap on this options it's not working, so don't worry at all. Here you will have to just open this option and wait for 5 seconds minimum, and after that you have to go to the back option and reach to the starting page again. Okay, now from here you have to tap to the start option and agree to all and agree from here. Now after that go to the agree. Now after that you have to tap on this add network option, and you have to come on this setting option. Now first of all here you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here reset to default setting. You have to come on this page. Now here firstly you will have to erase the personalized prediction and reset this one. Go to the back from here. Now after that you will have to changes here language, manage input language, and here you will have to again switch on the English US and switch off this one. Go to the back option here. Okay, now after that you have to come to the option that will show here text shortcut, and here you will have to tap on this add option, and you will have to paste that URL, and here you will have to dial the USSD that is *#0*#. Okay, now after that you have to tap on this add option and go to the back option. Now the last setting what you have to change is that is mode. You have to go to the option that will show here layout. Here you will have to go to the button and symbols and select the alternative and apply here and go to the OK. Now it will redirect to the back page. Here you can see here. Now from here go to the back option here. Now go to the back and come to the starting page again, because all the settings has been done. Simply you have to tap on this start option, agree to all from here and go to the agree. Now after that go to the agree and tap on this next option. Now here you have to select this don't copy. So my friend, you can see here, now here you are getting the skip option where there was not any skip option on this FRP lock page. Now you are getting a skip option. Now simply you have to tap on this skip option to the final setup of your Samsung Android smartphone. You have to tap on this accept. One more thing, you will have to use a new pin pattern and password lock. So use from this page. I will use a new pattern lock from this page. Go to the confirm. Okay. Next, skip from this page here. You will get a pop-up that you are all set up, and simply you have to tap on this finish option. Okay, and agree. Select language, go to continue, Go to the next, tap on this one and finish. So here you can see this phone has been completely unlocked and your new pattern lock is working. You can see here what you have applied a new pattern lock. It's working here. Okay. And you can see here with the help of some settings, the bypass FRP has been completely bypassed of this Samsung Android smartphone. So you can also use this method for any model of the Samsung Android smartphone to bypass your FRP lock. So thank you so much. See you in next videos.